Flowers aren't just for your front yard, and your spring produce shouldn't be confined to the fruit bowl. Fruits and florals add a fresh flair to any spring dessert. Our friend Betheny Tomseth says, put them on a cake. It's so good to see you.
So good to see you.
And I don't even have the words to talk about what I'm seeing right here. These are stunning, Bethany.
The colors in florals and fruit, it's just...
Like,
it's so fun.
It's almost, I'm almost speechless. Like in person, really, the striking color, and you realize Mother Nature is our best decorating friend, right?
It really is.
What inspired you to start reaching for the fruits and the florals?
Like you said, Mother Nature.
Yeah.
I mean, you know I come on here, and every time I say, it's so easy. But honestly, this really, I will go on record and say this is the easiest way to decorate a cake.
The easiest way.
The easiest, yes. I mean, the color play in the florals and the fruits combined, it really does all the work for you.
No, I will add, you've put your artistic flair and talent on this, because I would have never thought. I'm so smitten with that creamsicle and purple.
Isn't it?
I'm going to try to wear that.
The peach and the orange and the purple.
In an outfit combination of some kind.
Those color contrasts are fantastic in florals. And you could do a monochrome one too, and it's still going to be amazing because the textures are amazing. So it's really great. And it's so like simple because it's like a one-stop shop. Right? So you go to your local grocery store and you pick out the one that you know has really great florals, right? So you pick out some great florals if you know what you're looking for. You pick out some great fruit, and I will tell you this too, it's a secret. And don't tell anybody I told you.
Never,
but
just
you
us.
can walk yourself over to that bakery and get a plain cake, and then you take it home, and 10 minutes later, you have a really fantastic, elevated, beautiful centerpiece for people to gather around, celebrate around, and that's what we're trying to do with cake, right? We're trying to make those memories, we're trying to make those special connections, and we do that around cake, and we make them so special.
Bless you for that secret. I won't tell a soul. I won't tell a soul. Can we start with flowers? What could we look for? What should we look for?
Okay, so not all flowers should go in your cakes. You want to make sure that they are edible flowers, and we have a list of edible flowers.
Even if I'm taking them off?
Yes. Okay. Well, so there's edible flowers, and then there's like non-toxic flowers. Okay. So I mean, I would venture to maybe put some on and then take them off if they're non-toxic. Yeah. You know, because they're really not going to do much.
But just know what you're getting. So roses, carnations, pansies, and stock flowers.
Yes, these are stock flowers that you're seeing. The purple ones are just so beautiful.
They are pretty.
Those are amazing. Those petals are edible, and also keep in mind too that a lot of times it's just the petals that are edible. So do a little research before you go eating your flowers here.
Okay, and then how do you attach, adhere, affix?
Okay, couple different ways. So I like, with the fruit particularly, I like to use toothpicks. Okay. Just make sure that you are removing them, of course, before you serve
Please.
it.
And that be the worst birthday surprise.
Right? Yeah. And especially if you're making it for someone and they're taking off with it, you let them know that they've got toothpicks in it. That's a great one because the fruit is so heavy. That's a really good one. Also, white chocolate will help too, but sometimes with the moisture, it won't work. So there's another really great trick. These are like little sewing pins. It's like a U shape here. Yeah. Can you see that? Yeah. And I like to adhere sometimes the fruit with that, and a lot of times the flowers if we're doing a specific design.
Like you'll put it right through?
Yeah.
The peel,
you put it, well, yes, with the fruit, but with the flowers, you just put it right around the stem and...
The stem.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if I want to arrange like a little arrangement here, and I want it to kind of stay like this, right? I use floral tape, stretch it out, and then you just take the floral tape, just like a florist does. Yeah. And you're gonna like take your little fingers and wrap it around. Look at you. And then you've covered up the stems that sometimes are not edible. You've covered up the stems, and then you can stick that in your cake.
And then how are you arranging these on the cake?
Okay, I've got 3 different examples here.
These are so lovely.
Thank you. So this first one, like I said, this is where I use that little U-shaped pin because I just like the long drama
up the side.
The side. Yes. Yep, just up the side, simple, minimalist kind of, you know, and then a little bit of lemon. And also these fruits kind of reflect what's inside the cake too. That's what's really fun about that.
So the lemon, you've just kind of done a weave with the toothpick, right?
Yes, I just put a toothpick and then put it right through. That's it.
I could do that.
Easy. You can do it. I
could possibly do that.
Do it.
Okay, what's happening with our pink lady?
Okay, so the pink one is kind of more of like we've got 2 little clusters is what I call it. So you've got a cluster here, and then you've got a cluster down here. And sometimes I like to put them on the opposite side or wherever you like. And then you just fill it in with little flowers, easy peasy, like little clusters. So you've got the straight on this one, clusters on this one. Now we're gonna move to this one here.
Yeah.
The orange one is more of a, I like to call it a crown style, right? So you've got it all around the cake, and you can do this with small fruits, large fruits, anything, and then just, again, fill it in with your florals. So easy. I can't say it enough.
Bethany, you were amazing. Thank you for showing us this
Of course.
easy but gorgeous art form on top of a cake, around a cake, a great way to dress up a cake, and you too can do it. You give us so much confidence. We so appreciate you. Where can we get more of your ideas and inspiration?
Bethany Cakes on Instagram.
And classes too, right?
I'm going to start, yeah. We're going to start some classes coming up.
Coming up, so we'll link you there from our website. Be sure to give Bethany a follow for all of your cake ideas and inspiration. Thank you.